Dumelang Maskora Sen Nda Molweni Sanbonani Apshen Akhe Mulibanji Ni Hao. It's your king, it's your prince, the one and only, the best of the best. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe button and share the video for better conversations and communications. Good people, I'm coming with another thing. Guys, let us stop bullying Christians just because they are saying they are Christians. And then let's start doing right by them. Hey, I've met so many people doing shit to Christian and then they come back to say, you're supposed to forgive, you're a Christian. Are you not serving the forgiving Lord? The forgiving Lord, not me. That is the forgiving Lord. That is not me. And then it depends on what you are doing. I'm gonna forgive you, but I will never want anything to do with you. I'm gonna eliminate you in my life. I'll never want anything to do with you because I know most. Tomorrow, the next day, the next day, the next of the next day, I'm gonna be hurt in your hands. So good people, let's stop bullying these Christians. The pastors, the Bongaman, all those people are human beings just like you and I. The same way you get angry, it's the same way they are getting angry. The same way you are getting hurt, it's the same way they are getting hurt. They are not building mayonnaise. They are building. They are bleeding they are building blood just like you do. No, you are a Christian. You must forgive. Yes, I forgive. I forgive you before you do it. I forgive you when you are doing it, and I will forgive you even before you do it. But the thing is, after that thing, I will never want anything from you to do with you. I cut people out as much as I'm a Christian. You know what one guy said to me? I'm in Zion Mosque. We're wearing these white garments and everything. That guy said to me, I wish your heart was white as that thing you're wearing there. And I was like, you are disrespecting me. You're full of shit. I'm not wearing Jesus here. I'm not wearing God here. I'm wearing a cloth that was tailored by a tailor. Good people, stop bullying the Christians and then you come to them and saying, you must forgive me, you're a Christian, when you're doing that wrong thing. What were you doing? We do forgive you, but we cut you off onto our lives. I cut people off. Should I say you that, okay, you are going to make me forget or lose what I am or who I am because of you? I cut you off. I forgive you. But next week when you try to be friendly, I'm not there. Not that I hate you, but I don't want you in my circle. I choose people to be on my circle. I talk to my but I choose people that I want on my circle. Because now Christians are being bullied. This is within a person, is within you to treat people with respect. We can't be teaching 50 years or 25 years respect. If your parents failed you at the age of 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, when you are 21, you can't do anything. You're disrespecting, and you will die like that. So there is absolutely nothing we can do. So stop bullying Christians.